What if your life depended on a uniform? Every day, firefighters step into flames, into collapsing buildings, into heat so intense it can melt metal. But have you ever wondered what protects them? This isn't ordinary clothing. This is a precision-engineered survival system, from raw fibers stronger than steel to multi-layer protection designed to resist fire, water and extreme pressure. Every stitch, every layer, every detail is built for one purpose: to keep heroes alive. Inside this factory, cutting-edge machines, advanced materials, and human precision come together to create one of the most powerful protective suits on Earth. Tested in fire, proven under pressure, trusted in life or death moments. This is the complete manufacturing process of firefighter heat-resistant protective suits. And by the end of this video, you'll never look at a uniform the same way again. From raw or armoured fibres, the transformation doesn't stop. Now those fibres have been spun into powerful threads and are automatically wound onto massive industrial spools. Every spool rotates under strict digital tension control, ensuring perfect strength in every single strand. These are not just threads, they are the foundation of firefighter survival systems. Because now, the real transformation begins. High-speed industrial looms take over, feeding these spools into a weaving system operating at extreme speed. Threads interlock rapidly, forming dense, fire-resistant fabric, layer by layer, structure by structure. Protection begins to take shape. But this fabric alone is not enough. It moves into advanced layering machines, where three critical protective layers are combined: an outer heat-resistant shell, a moisture-blocking barrier, and a thermal insulation layer designed to protect human life. Now bonded together, this becomes a complete protection system. The material enters a chemical coating chamber where heat-resistant protection is applied evenly across every inch. Then it passes through a high-temperature stabilization oven, locking its structure at over 300 C. After cooling, the fabric is perfectly stable, ready for precision cutting. Digital CAD projections appear across the surface, mapping every jacket panel, sleeve, and reinforcement zone. Then, high-powered laser cutting begins, slicing through the multi-layer fabric with millimeter precision. What was once raw fiber is now becoming a fully engineered survival system. Every cut, every layer, every process brings it closer to one purpose: to protect lives inside extreme fire.
Once assembled, the suits are inspected for quality. We check the stitching carefully before adding the reflective material.
Each heat-resistant suit is meticulously scanned, ensuring every item is logged before final carton packing.
The multi-layer suit features an outer shell for heat resistance, a moisture barrier that is both waterproof
From the moment the raw materials arrive, we ensure every step of the manufacturing process meets the highest standards for heat resistance. Every thread we build protects a life.
From precision cutting to the heart of the blaze, we ensure every suit meets the ultimate test.
The to every watches the ones. This isn't just a uniform, it's survival.
Engineered for the extreme. Discover the complete manufacturing process of our heat-resistant protective suits.
Welcome to the Firefighter Uniform Factory. We specialize in heat-resistant protective suits. The complete manufacturing process starts with these advanced heat-resistant aramid fibers, ensuring the highest level of protection.